Hello everyone. In this video, we will write a program in Python using function to print multiplication table of number entered by the user. So first, we will declare a function. So I will write here def multiplication table and in the parenthesis n. So after this, I will declare the conditions to print the multiplication table. So I will start a for loop for I in range starting from 1 to 11 as a for loop runs 1 less. So this will run from 1 to 10. And after this I will print using the f string n into I equals to n into I. Means what will happen here? The value which is entered by the user will get here n, let's say 2 and I. So this will run from the 1 to 10. So first in I 1 will be here. So this will get multiplied 2 into 1 which will be equals to 2. And on the second time run this will get 2 and then 2 into 2 which will be equals to 4 and this will goes on till 10. So this is how this will work. And now let's print the multiplication table. So I will write here. Okay, so before it I have to also take the number from the user outside the function and I will give that number as the argument to that function. So I will write here multiplication table num. So this is called the calling of function here. So this is the program to print multiplication table of a number. So let's run it. Okay, so the terminal is showing enter a number. So let's say 5. So here you can see the multiplication table of 5 gets printed here from 5 ones are 5 to 5 tens are 50. So this is how you can write a program in Python to print multiplication table of number using function. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.